comes a time in your life where you gotta say, I told you so. Here we go, recapping the stocks not to buy for September. Taking a look at what happened in the last month. Obviously, this video that I made was recorded previously on the 5th. So that's when we're going to be looking at from. So starting the 5th, we're going to start with Uber. Uber Boober. Down 2.55% for the month. Now, Uber here still has a lot of high price targets going on for it. Still a new IPO. They lost over $1 billion. Billion dollars. How is it possible? I don't know how it's possible. This is a company that loses money professionally, and I don't want to mess around with it. So, obviously, here's their max chart since IPO, down 23%. And you want to know what? I don't trust these analysts, these pieces of garbage, who say it's going to be $46 stock. This is a company that loses money like no other, and it's not a safe stock to invest in. At least not now. Maybe in the future, if they get their business figured out properly, they might be able to do something. But obviously, we're at a time where people are whining that even their ride-sharing service, that they're not getting paid enough for the... Oh my gosh, it's pitiful. Not getting paid enough. So if you have employees start walking out and you have to raise wages, it's going to be rough. First off, you shouldn't be saying that you're not getting paid enough. Get a new job is always my suggestion if you're going to whine about pay. Get a new job. But if people start walking out on them and they have to start paying more, they're going to lose even more money. Even more money. Also with their Uber Eats program, they just don't make any money on that either. It's all loss. Uber Eats is pure loss at this point, and they're going to have to do a lot of figuring out to make things proper. If they want to grow that business, they can't have it be losing them money at all times. That's just how it is. So Uber, I'm staying away from you right now. Sorry. Still staying away. Slack, I mean, do I have to say I told you so? I told you so. I told you so. So starting from the 5th, I told you so. This was a $30 stock on the 5th. Down 25%. Lost a fourth of its value since then. I said I told you so. Come on, Stuart Butterfield. What are you doing, man? You're losing money. All you do is lose money. This is wild. They make no margin. Slack is a professional money loser, like I said. I don't play around with these kind of guys. They're not in my ballpark, okay? Not playing around with these kind of guys. IPO'd around $40 a share. Lost 41% of its value so far. Not playing around. Okay? Get out of here. Slack, I will not invest in you. The only time an analyst has news on this, Bernstein Bears. The Bernstein Bears say that Slack may have given a softball estimate. Well, of course they did, because all they do is lose money. Of course they're going to give just a general estimate because they don't want to be specific about how much money they know they're going to lose. $28 price target, absolutely ridiculous. What business model are you basing that off of? That's why analysts suck. They suck. They don't have a clue what they're talking about. Thirdly, Tilray stock, garbage stock. 1 month out, garbage stock. So we're going from the 5th. Don't mind that it's up on the month. Don't look at that. We're going from whenever I made my video. And this is why we're staying away. Starting the 5th. Ow! Starting the 5th, down 17%. You're telling me down 17% is good? No, it's not. I just did my recap on the stocks to buy, and guess what? All of those went up. Those went up on the month. These all went down. I think it's a sign. You shouldn't be buying these garbage stocks. I told you not to. I told you not to. Do we have to look year to date? I mean, really, from its peak at $100-something? My gosh. That's wild. 52-week high of $170? It reached $170. People were piping this stuff up like it was nothing. Down 84% from there. That is why I stay away from this garbage. Do not mess with Tilray stock, please. Please don't. And still continue to not mess with them, even though they keep going down. Just still don't mess with them. That's all. That's my only advice. Don't mess with professional money losers. I'm going to be having some good stock picks to not buy for October, and you just wait. All right. Bye.